everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a matching bracelet to our spider necklace? On this video, we'll be using beads from the newest Softlex Company design kit, Gone Batty. I am using their exclusive Jesse James bead strand. You'll need two 2x2s, a clasp of your choice, two 3 6 millimeter jump rings. We're going to use one for our charm, one of the Gone Batty strands. Unfortunately, it is sold out, so any beads will work from your collection. And then a couple little crystals from my collection. I just wanted to add some more sparkle into my design. I have a link down below in the description for all other tutorials using this Gone Batty kit, as well as all other Halloween and bracelet inspiration. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. The flex wire that came in the kit went on it. So to start, we're just going to attach one of our 6 millimeter jump rings to our spiral. And I just got Beetlejuice vibes from this little pendant, also Nightmare Before Christmas. So we have our little chain, and then I'm going to put this in the middle of my bead strand. Just like with the necklace, I'm going to take out the 3 middle beads and just add in some of the crystals. So we're going to open up a bead strand. For a design for beads, comment down below what you thought of this fabulous kit. I'm going to add these little crystals in between my spacers. I'm just going to kind of change things up from the necklace design just a little bit. So I have my bracelet designed, and I'm just going to work on the spool. It just acts as a bead stopper. We slide on our beads. Onto our soft flex wire. And I love how sometimes the soft flex wire will show through the beads. So that just really adds a design element. So we're going to add all of those on, and then we will attach our clasp. So we have all of our beads added on. And I always like to attach my bracelets or my necklaces to jump rings. That way, if I need to change out the clasp or extend it, I can just open up a jump ring and add it on versus having to restring the whole project. So the first one, I'm going to go ahead and attach my clasp to my little lobster claw. Open up your jump ring. We're just going to twist gently side to side and attach our clasp and give it a close. And you should hear that little click. And then on the second jump ring, we won't need to attach anything to it unless we're extending it. Just want to make sure it's closed. We're going to pick up one of our 2x2s and our clasp. Now, if you're using a two-sided clasp or like a toggle bar, then you would just need to attach the other side to your clasp. So we have a little loop. We want to make sure there's just that little bit of wiggle room. We're going to take our pliers and give it a smash, and we're going to rotate. And this is just going to give it a more professional finish and make it look like a little bead. We have a little bit of a tail. We're just going to tuck it into the next bead. And it's going to hide our extra soft legs. We're just going to slide down our beads. And then we're going to cut a good working length. We're going to slide on our next 2x2 and our jump ring. We're going to pass back through our 2x2. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. And then we're just going to go ahead and give it a smash. And we're going to rotate. We have that little bit of a tail. So on this side, I'm just going to trim. And if you need to make it bigger, you can just add a few more jump rings or maybe add another charm to the end of it. And we have our beautiful little spider bracelet to match our necklace for Halloween and spooky season. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow, and I'll leave a link down below in the description for the products I used in this video. Have an awesome day.